LRC18 is our gel degreaser. It's alcohol based, so I would suggest if you've got sensitive skin, wear gloves and proceed to use it with caution that way. So with any job that you're going to do that involves removing of grease, in a lot of cases the colour has already been removed from the leather. So what I would actually do is to actually make the job even better than trying to just sort of put alcohol degreaser on top of the painted surface and trying to extract the grease that way. I would use the LRC15 leather prep, remove some of the colour, and then apply the gel degreaser. Give your gel degreaser a stir up, just to make sure that any LRC3 alcohol cleaner is mixed in, and simply just apply like so with a spatula. You can get the spatulas from the website. You can get, we do plastic ones, are absolutely fine for this, and just simply apply that and allow that to dry. And then once that's all dried, you would hoover that off. You may find that with severe head grease, you do need to do this multiple times. So, and when I say multiple times, I don't mean keep applying multiple layers like I'm doing now. What I mean is allow it to dry, and once it's dried and crystallized, it'll go into it'll almost go like crazy paving crystallized. Once it's done that, you can hoover that off and extract any of the grease from the surface. And you can sort of see it sort of starting to do that a little bit on the spatula there. If that focuses in, just up there, you can see how it's sort of all going crystallized on the spatula and just here. So that's how it would actually go on the leather, on the surface. Once it's done that and it's dried and you can see that the gel degreaser has changed colour, you can hoover that off with a vacuum and extract all the grease. And you might find that you need to do that 2 or 3 occasions. Once you've done that, you are then ready to proceed to recolour your leather item. leatherrepaircompany.com